We're waiting on a couple more people. I'm just chilling, man. I'm in the tail room. They said I can keep it till 1. That was lit.
Welcome to this amazing Go Live session. Today we're going to learn high frequency.
All right, so I got mini meals
Okay,
playing in the
we're
background.
going to learn how to exchange currencies from the comfort of our homes, from the comfort of anywhere around the world, where you're able to learn strategies, tools in order for you to understand how the market moves and go in and out with the bag in minutes, ladies and gentlemen, in minutes. Look at all those hearts. Just want to go ahead and welcome. Let's go. All right. So now the first thing that we want to do, ladies and gentlemen, especially if you're brand new, you want to go to IM.Center. Okay. You want to go to IM.Center. You want to click Academies. You want to watch the Hfx Academy. Okay. Right over here. If you're brand new, you gotta literally take a day and just watch all these videos right here. Okay. We also have it in Spanish, just in case. If you have anyone who speaks Spanish.
Can y'all hear her?
We also have a Hfx Spanish Academy. Then once you're done with the Hfx Academy, you want to go ahead now and click Strategies. Okay. This is where you're going to activate these robots. Okay. Now these robots, these scanners, are going to show you when the market is high or when the market is low. So when you finish the Hfx Academy, you have more of a sense of how to use these robots, how these currencies are put together with indicators.
Yeah, I know this is my lobby, but make sure y'all paying attention. This is important.
Or when to sell or when to buy. Now, when you click strategies, you have the Simple Scalper strategy. You have the Simple Scalper 2.0, which is an upgraded scanner. We also have the Pickpocket 2.0, and we also have the Web Slinger 2.0. Ladies and gentlemen, who likes the Web Slinger? I have been using it already. I have like 2 weeks and couple of change straight using the Web Slinger, and it has been next level. So if you ladies and gentlemen was with me, and you're like mind blown with the Web Slinger's result. I mean, I know on Tuesday it was a little bit hectic, you know, the currencies went the opposite way, but 1 out of like 9 times, right? Or like maybe 1 out of 8 times, right? And if you're actually also using proper risk management, you should be good, because yesterday was next level, next level, guys. So we also have the Web Slinger. Now, if you watch the Hfx Academy, right over here, I'm going to show you guys something, okay? If you go to the Academy and you click videos number, Hfx number 341, okay? 341, Simple Scalper Scanner video, Pickpocket Scanner video, and Web Slinger Scanner video, guys. Right here, this is the sauce right here. If you want to learn, and look, this is checked for a reason. It's checked for a reason. The Web Slinger is the scanner that I use, and the Simple Scalper scanner is the robot that I use as well. So we actually have Nes Vasquez. He's the creator of these scanners right here. He actually goes in depth of how to identify when the market is high or when the market is low, okay? So if you're excited for this, if you're excited for this journey, type a 777 in that chat box. Let's go.
Hello.
Like this shit though?
Yo.
Yo. What's good, everybody?
What's good? What up? What up? What up? Going through
It's expected to either drop massively. Observe this today. We're going to observe GBP. We have about 2 weeks and couple of change already. Taking GBP / another currency's money. GBP has been paying you guys. All right, so we're gonna be observing GBP today. Now the Canadian today at 11 in the morning experienced news. As you can see, someone spoke, someone important spoke, right? Someone from the government spoke. Now you only want to trade any currency that has a yellow folder. If you want a nice smooth session, you definitely want to go ahead and trade when you see a yellow folder, okay? Now, if you see a gray folder, as you can see, if you read right here, is a bank holiday. What happens when there's a bank holiday? It says all day CHF bank holiday, all day the Euro, French bank holiday, and German bank holiday. So we are not going to touch these currencies right here. So today we're going to be very cautious. We might be looking at USD Jpy, but let's see what's gonna happen, okay? So we're collecting now information via the Forex Factory website. Now let's continue. Now this other website right here, which is the currency strength meter website, now it shows you the strength. You remember when I told you that GBP is going to experience news? You see how weak it is, but because you see weakness, it can actually signify two things. Number one, it can be that it's very weak, okay? Or number two, is going to experience news. That's why you have to be very careful, okay? Now, if you see that the currency has 2 bars, then it's just very stagnant. It's just moving very, very slow. But if you see more bars, then you know that currency is strong. So this currency strength meter website shows you which currencies are strong, which ones are weaker, which ones are experiencing news, especially if you see 1 bar. So if you're brand new and you got this down pat, go ahead and type 888 in that chat box. Yes, we're definitely looking forward to close this session and close this week very strong today. So I'm going to take my time really analyzing these ideas today. So now that we have this down pat, ladies and gentlemen, now let's go ahead and activate the Liberty app, okay? Now let's activate the web slinger real quick. As you can see, this is how money moves, okay? This is how money moves. It moves up and down, up and down.
We can look at it.
Thankfully, we actually have indicators that are put together that allow us to really identify when the markets are going to drop massively. So right now, let's see. I'm looking at GBP USD. Notice these numbers right here. GBP has a 26 strength and USD has a 37 strength. In order for me to say, you know what, we're definitely going to take some sell positions because the dollar is stronger. Remember, the second currency will always represent the red candles, okay? The first currency, any pair that you choose, the first currency will always represent the blue candles.
Can y'all still see
So if
Millie?
the second currency is stronger, then I'm going to definitely expect a lot of drops, okay? I'm definitely expecting a lot of red candles. But in order for me to say, you know what, I feel confident that this market is going to drop is I want to see 60% and above, okay? I don't want to see 26 and 37. No, That is too close, guys. These numbers are too close. And when you see this, this is what you're gonna see here. You're gonna see the market literally moving up and down in one direction. So this is exactly how it looks. Look at this, from here all the way to here. Look at that. So it came up here, okay? It dropped, then it dropped over here, then it came up over here, then it dropped over here. What do you think is gonna happen? Okay, what do you think is gonna happen? Do you think it's gonna stay around this yellow zone right here? I believe it's going to stay around this yellow zone because these two currencies are not strong enough. They're just fluctuating up and down with no strong strength, okay? So when you're activating the web slinger, the first thing you wanna do is you wanna analyze which currency pairs are strong. GBP USD, you know, is very consolidated in the sense where it's moving up and down in one zone, okay? In one area. We don't see these massive upward momentum. We just see these small little movements here, okay? Now let's go ahead and scroll down. We see USD and the Japanese, 37 and 47. For me, that is still close. It's still close, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, okay? If JPY would have been 70, then we would have definitely taken some sell positions for a fact, okay? Let's scroll down. Look at this, USD CHF. USD CHF. What do you think is going to happen? It's gonna drop, right? But I believe CHF is experiencing a bank holiday. I wouldn't trade it. I wouldn't even touch it, okay? I wouldn't even touch it. So if the web slinger is not giving me an idea that I want to snipe. So for instance, look at this, Gbp Jpy. Jpy is stronger than GBP. Now, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think we're going to see more red candles or more blue candles? Well, we're going to see more red candles, yes, but still, I feel like it's still too close, okay? I want to make sure that these numbers are like 68 and 70. That's how I know for a fact that this market is going to massively drop. So let's look at GBP Jpy real quick. I want to go ahead and analyze this GBP look news. See, GBP, remember the news? Someone's going to speak. JPY is strong. Okay, so we might definitely see more red candles than blue. But because GBP is being affected today, we can see this right here happening. Okay, and we do not want to get trapped. Okay, so I wouldn't touch it. So because the web slinger today is not giving us the right idea, guess what? We have plan B. Let's go ahead now and activate the simple scalper strategy. Because the simple scalper strategy is the strategy that is going to actually give me the right idea when the markets are actually consolidating, when the markets are actually moving up and down in one little zone, okay? So let's go ahead and look over here at some potential ideas, okay? Now let's go ahead and look. Let's see, USD, the Canadian, let me just double check. All right, so the Canadian is just experienced news at 11. So we might be looking at USD. Let's see what USD and JPY. Yes, let's look at USD JPY today, guys. Okay, so USD JPY. Okay. A lot of strange movements. Look at this, guys. A lot of strange movements today. All right. Go ahead and analyze this right here. USD JPY. Look how the market is reacting on this zone right here, guys. Look, it doesn't go anywhere. All right, let's look at the strength right here. USD JPY is stronger, which means we might be looking for potential sell positions. But let's see what's going to happen, guys. So on the 30 minutes, we have a red candle. We see it dropping. On the 15 minutes, we have a blue candle. It's actually preparing to actually shoot up, okay? On the 5 minutes, we already have a blue candle shooting up already, but we have the parabolic dots. So this might be a pullback, and then it's gonna give us a drop. So ladies and gentlemen, let's take a 10-minute sell position on USD Jpy, okay? I want to be able to take a 10-minute sell position on USD Jpy. So let's get ready, guys. USD Jpy, 10-minute sell. Fix time off.
USD Jpy, I'm
And
already there.
sell
Payout, yo.
equals put. The price is going to be as
75.
follows. All right, let's go ahead and actually look at that. Look at that. It's giving us the pullback at around 550 areas. I'm going to tell you guys exactly when to go in, okay? Bear with me, bear with me. We have 2 minutes and a couple of seconds left for that candle. We have that blue candle on the 15 minutes. All right. All right, guys, so 550s, price 550 or above, okay? 550 or above, 550 or above. Let's take this right here. 550 or above, 10 minutes. 550s, 550, 10-minute sell. Okay, I want this market to shoot up a little higher right there. Boom. We have the parabolic dots. It wicked it at around 550. See what's actually happening here. Okay, 550 or above, sell. USD Jpy. Did anybody got in? Did anybody got in? 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. In. Fixed time is off. I already sent it on the chat. 550 or above. Okay, it's giving us that price again coming up. Definitely expecting a drop on USD Jpy. Jpy is stronger. All right, is the second currency. All right, we definitely might be expecting some beautiful, beautiful drops right there. Let me actually go ahead and open it on 5 minutes and see what's actually happening in 5 minutes. So ladies and gentlemen, type of Hfx in that chat box if you are in profits. Market is literally dropping at around 541 areas. Here is actually dropping right there, guys. So we might see a little bit of some points difference. And as you can see, it just massively dropped all the way to the 536 areas. If we get that red candle to drop massively, it's over, guys. Look at that. It wicked it at around 550 areas, okay? And now, ladies and gentlemen, on a 5-minute time frame chart, we see a red candle. We have the parabolic dots right over here. I know for a fact it's going to drop. I know JPY is strong. I have my confirmations right here. I've seen this strategy so much where I already know what's going to happen. So ladies and gentlemen, type the Hfx in that chat box if you are in profits, baby, in profits. Let's go.
Okay, I didn't put the 10 minutes.
Let's go.
Okay, who got in
Got
there?
into the 10, been in profits the whole time.
Okay, baby. Everybody got in?
Yeah, definitely a great look, man.
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in too, been in profit.
Play?
I'm in.
Good one, squad. Look like we all got. I'm going to catch a nice little dub. This is looking like a, you already know what it's looking like.
Yeah, I took a 5-minute too on accident, but it's clearing.
You took the 10-minute too?
Yeah.
That's lit. Where y'all at on y'all compound chart though? I want to hold somebody accountable. Huh? Cricket.
Put it on my compound.
All I gotta do is make a dub today. You know?
My account is at 320 because I had lost 2 last week. So go up. Yeah, I didn't start with. Yeah,
That's
my
about the
account.
So
No, that ain't where I started. My account was down. It was like 270. Remember, we was working on discipline. So I've been going up.
Okay. So you probably on day like 11.
Yeah, I mean, with the retracement, really, bro, I'm like on day 5 because we just
Wow.
gotta be consistent. So I still feel like I'm early in the game for real.
Okay, so you should be right where in this area, but you had a back end, so you right here instead, right?
Yeah, really, for real.
All right, yeah, okay. So you still in good standing, bro. You steady strolling up.
Exactly. On the way up. That's the most important part with HFX because you know how easy it is to lose $100.
It's easy.
Account on the uptrend. Account on the uptrend. Drop some one in the chats if you account on the uptrend.
What? Let's go, man. Y'all make sure y'all show the progress off too. I want to show these folks this product work, man.
Hey,
Even
what's
though I do
Cookout?
1 milli trade, it's a good little store. Cookouts like they sell chicken wraps and shit.
Or
Burgers, smooth. They sell milkshakes.
Ladies and gentlemen, type of Hfx in that chat box if you are in profits, baby. In profits. This is just the first idea. Let's get it.
See, Papa, shit. This is just the first idea. Let's get it. So I only need to make $5 more and I'm good for today. So the reason why I had put more money is because I had already marked this up earlier, right? So when I pulled it down to where her area was, I had seen that it bounced right here 2 times. Boom, boom. So once you break a floor, it potentially becomes a ceiling, right? Right? Y'all know that, right? Once you break a floor, it potentially becomes a ceiling for a little bit. So she's catching these little
Ladies and
before
gentlemen,
it
put in
comes
that
back
chat
up.
box how many minutes you guys
You
have
see it's about
left.
to
Just
be
let me know also if my
so we know what she's doing. She's catching it, you know what I'm saying, while it's going down and coming back up, right? So look at her technique. I gotta watch that. She's catching this coming down instead of going up, like how we would catch it going up. She's catching it going down.
Guys,
Look
make
at this.
sure to
Down.
listen
Look
to
at
this.
technique.
There's a reason why I'm
It's gonna
asking this
swoop
question.
this way after like
The reason
30
why I'm
minutes.
asking this question is because we should all be in the same page.
She's just been doing it for
If
so
when
long.
I called the 10-minute idea,
So
you got in,
she'll catch
you
this.
should be
Boom.
shouldn't be having 8
Money
minutes
for her.
left.
Feel me? She'll
Okay?
catch this.
There's a
Money.
reason why at a certain time I sent
gets this money.
out these ideas.
You
Because
just gotta learn how to,
this
you know
is
what I
gonna
mean?
take about 10 minutes to give us
Get
that
certain
massive
techniques.
drop. Sometimes it can give us that drop, and in about maybe a couple of more
Right,
minutes,
yeah,
it might shoot up again. So you want to make sure, all right, you want to make sure
So,
that you're getting in exactly when I tell you to get in.
feel me?
Okay. Now, yes, you might be experiencing a little bit of a spike.
My indicator's on point. What?
The market is
They
green
rocking
right
with
now.
her.
Okay, it's on its way down. Right
They
now,
rocking
price
with her
is
ass.
literally all the way at around 523, and the breakthrough
I got
just
1,
happened.
2.
The breakthrough just happened. Price right now is
That's
around
2 confirmations
523
crossing
right
down.
now. As you can see, it
With
was
the parabolic,
just
that's 3 confirmations.
532. Not
The
too
second
long.
red candle,
Right?
that's 4,
So
and the
we on
pullback
some deep profits, all the way from 550 peak all the way
right
to
there was 5.
5. Here it is, guys. You guys should be good.
I got in on the pullback.
So now let's go ahead and look at another idea.
I gotta learn how to get on a
Go ahead and
pullback
just
on
check
a
the
sell
chart on
too.
these currencies.
So if it's green, it'd be a
Right.
pullback for a sell. That's a pullback for a sell.
JPY, look at that. JPY is stronger than the dollar. The dollar just gained a little bit of strength there, right? But we should be
So she did that off the simple scalper, right?
It's literally about to tank heavily. So when the market is going up, we're gonna call it like it's going to the moon. How about when the market is going down? What are we gonna call it? The crust of the earth? I don't know. You guys tell me. All right, so let's look at Forex Factory right here. We know that we're not going to touch the euro, the Canadian. I love the Canadian currencies. GBP, not today.
We're doing the
We might
USD
stick with
Jpy.
USD Jpy
So
today. Let's see.
USD Jpy.
Most of the currencies
Jpy
that
is
I
on the
like
right
to
side.
trade,
It's stronger.
they're all
She went
taking
for a sell.
what's happening.
Right side sell.
Thank
Web
God we
slinger.
actually got in on this UJ right here.
Web
Right,
Oh.
perfect. 3 minutes left.
bottom
Market
number
right now is at around the 525
bigger
price. Doesn't know what to do.
sell.
We have already some
Top
clears,
number
right?
bigger.
The market is dropping
Wow.
at 523 now, as you can see. It's dropping now at around
Simple.
522. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let me look at RJPY.
Simple. We got
So
1
USD
minute.
Jpy is definitely a win. All right, let's look at RJPY. Let's see how RJPY is behaving today.
Definitely the win. Y'all gonna screenshot me or not? Cause
It's giving us that uptrend.
I want to be shouted out sometimes too, man. Show me some love.
30 minutes is actually giving us a small little drop. All right, let's look at the strength. All right, odd and JPY. JPY is stronger. So we might be looking for what? For sell positions. All right. Now I will wait. Let me see, we've got 27 seconds left. We have a blue candle on the 30 minutes. On the 15 minutes, we still have this uptrend right there. RJPY is definitely gonna tank, guys. I will definitely get in. I'm gonna tell you guys when to get in though, okay? Now, let me know, ladies and gentlemen, you guys are about to clear that UJ is still dropping right there. It's literally around 520 areas. All right, there you go, clear. So today,
Clear.
I know you guys are typing on the chat, big clears. Yes, this is definitely a big clear, guys.
Clear, motherfucker.
Any pairs that has JPY.
So let's look at the route
on
I'm
the second
going at.
currency is
I
going to
need to be
tank
at 419
Okay.
today.
Wait,
Like I
God, did you just get that? You just got that slizzy?
today, guys.
Yeah, I just
All right,
cleared
we
that
have a
shit.
lot of news in the sense of bank holidays.
That was a clear, my nigga.
GDP is a little bit iffy. The dollar today at 1 o'clock might be, rotating, but RJPY is definitely getting ready to tank. So I want everyone to go to RJPY. Okay, we're gonna go to RJPY.
I clear out some space.
Take another one right there, guys. It's only 12:33, and we're just
JPY. Oh, 80%. Okay, let's get it.
80. All right, perfect. So we have here in the 5 minutes.
So she probably gonna go up with it. You see, this time she gonna go up with it and catch it coming down
Push
before it comes down.
giving us that push. I'm still gonna be analyzing this trade right here, guys. It's a small little downtrend.
It
right
might
there,
pull
as
back,
you can
right?
see. Let me make this more clear for you guys. Look at that. Okay, see that? So it might come up again, touch this zone here, and then react. Let me make this bigger so you guys
She on
can
the
see
15
what I'm
minute.
seeing. Right, so look at this. Let me make this.
So all you go to, you just change your candles to the 15 minute and you can see exactly what she's seeing.
Look at that.
Boom.
So I'm expecting for this market to come up here. Okay. So look at that. Touches here, touches here.
Trend
About to
line.
come up.
Boom, and that's how you do that.
So it might shoot up. Let me see.
We ain't got time for that right now, though.
790 areas. Let's see.
790.
Yeah, it might come up and respect that zone. again.
Okay.
So we're looking for a sell.
That's what she looking for. She said it might come up to 790,
Minutes, we still see that
but
market
I haven't put nothing
shooting
in the
up,
chat
guys.
yet. I'm putting it in the chat, y'all.
Massively.
I'm put how much time it is and shit.
Price right now is around the 719 areas. This market might definitely turn around the 800 price. All right, but let's see. what's
Definitely
gonna
at the
happen,
order
guys.
block right here,
Add some
726,
resistance. Okay. Resistance.
740 area.
So it came over here and it dropped, came over here and it dropped, came over here. This
So
is
this
a
the order
very,
block right here.
very strong
boom.
resistance right
You
here.
have a bigger red candle
Very,
than the
very
green
strong
candle. That's
resistance
called bearish engulfing.
And I know for a fact
Right?
it's definitely.
So you
gonna
put
drop.
your marker
So
right
I would
here.
definitely take a
So you can
15
expect price to go to
sell.
that.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you
At
guys
least hit this line,
when to
if
go
not
in. And
more.
the reason why I want to take a 15-minute sell is because it's shooting up. It is a downtrend. Okay, it's shooting up. It's a downtrend, but I want to get in at the very, very
It is not
highest
overbought.
peak. Okay, so in
Or-
5 minutes we see a red candle. Let's see what's actually showing us here. In the 15 minutes we still see a blue candle. Okay, which means yes, it might drop a little bit, but because we have a blue candle, it's still going to continue shooting up. Right, so let's see.
Okay, so like over here, you have a green candle. It's
We
about to
have
go
8
up, right?
minutes and
Boom,
like
boom, boom.
49 seconds.
So this
left.
green
So
candle is
everyone go to
bigger than this one. This one
RJPY.
is bigger than this one.
Okay,
So you can
Well,
expect both of them to be
RJPY.
a rejection zone.
so odd.
Boom, right here, red
Red
candle. Top of the red candle next to the biggest.
Time off. And sell equals.
This is a bullish engulfing candle. This is a
Okay, sell equals
bearish.
put.
Wait,
And the
bullish
price
is down,
going to be
right?
As follows.
Yeah,
I want this
bearish
market
is
to
up,
crack
so-
the 800 levels.
Yeah, I know what I'm talking about.
If it's paying out low,
Upish and it's a downish. Hey,
okay, if it's paying out low,
upish bearish,
if you don't
upish
feel comfortable
candle,
taking it, you
right
don't
here,
have to take
engulfing candle,
it. See what's
and a
let's go ahead and
downish
refresh.
engulfing
Oh,
candle.
look at
Hey, talking about.
that. AUD just gained some strength here, guys. Let's see. AUD just gained some strength. So you see, you want to come here, guys, and you always want to refresh. Just because AUD gained some strength, it doesn't mean nothing. JPY today is strong, okay? Is very strong. So you might see maybe at around 12:45, we might see this drop and then this gain some strength. And that's what I want
I
to
gotta
see.
pack my stuff.
So
I gotta be
yes,
out
we
here
might
about 1
see
o'clock, y'all.
a
So
bullish
I'm gonna leave
momentum.
Millie right here.
Okay,
I'm just gonna hop in
bulls,
the
they
trade
attack
and
up. We might see
she
a
call out
small
one.
little bull. strength. AUD is losing strength.
Okay.
To make
I
this
say
right here.
706 area.
So now they both have the same strength. So at about 1250, we might see that big move. Okay, guys? Price right now is hanging in at around 679. Area 680. It's just fluctuating there. I want this blue candle to take off on the upside so we can catch that sell. Okay? Look at that. It even broke the cloud on the 15 minutes. So this is not a good sign right now. It gave us that buy not too long ago. Like 30 minutes ago, it gave us a buy. Look at that. You see the reversal? Boom. So from that drop, it reversed up. And now we're definitely going to catch that sell when it actually reverses. So hopefully by 1 o'clock, 12:50, 1 o'clock, we might see that reversal
Damn.
level. And like I said,
No, ma'am. Can't do that music. You feel me? Well, look. AUD, JPY. Anybody else see the trade that she taking? Look at that. Finna hit my zone, man. Finna hit my zone, man. That thing finna hit my zone, then tank. Look, it's crossing over, then it's gonna separate, right? That's how you know it's gonna reverse. So if we go up a little bit more, hit my line, I'm gonna take the trade. Let's see what she say. All right, so the reason why I went up on my trade amount is because that's 3% of my account right now. All right, so y'all want to do 3%. Let me show y'all how I do it. Hey Siri, what's 3% times? Hey Siri, what's 404 times 3%?
It's 12.12.
12.12. So she tell you exactly. You know what I'm saying? 12.12. And my account needs to get to what?
as you can see,
419.
AUD Jpy, AUD is definitely gaining some strength. There's a reason why I had to mark this up. I believe this market is gonna shoot up. It's gonna shoot up. When? Not sure. Still analyzing. Okay. 15 minutes, we have a candle. 30 minutes, we have a blue candle. 1 hour, we have a
Oh, damn, look, I said took it up there. I think it's gonna still come back and hit my line.
get in my position because I continuously see AUD. This is a very, very interesting trade. Okay, very, very interesting trade. Right? So we might definitely take advantage for a 5-minute buy position. Okay, so we're gonna get in for a 5-minute buy position, guys. If this market shoots at around the 670, we're going in for 5 minutes. So AUD JPY 5 minutes buy. Okay,
Gonna be
price
quick, y'all.
670.
5-minute buy.
Okay, 670.
Somebody
You're
type in
gonna
the
buy
chat for me.
5 equals call. Fixed time off.
There you
Okay,
do.
we're gonna buy for 5 minutes, real
JPY.
quick, real quick.
670.
All right, just a small little drop right there. I'm gonna click that green button. All right, we're gonna click that green
Ooh.
button. AUD Jpy.
Oh, damn, I did a 15-minute
We're gonna
buy.
go in for 5 minutes real quick.
Oh, shit. Got in for another one.
So I want this market to give us that little drop.
Oh, my God. I did a 15-minute buy, my nigga. God damn.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. 670 price, just give me that drop. I don't know, 670 price and we're in.
I'm still gonna
It
take
actually already gave us a sign. Did anybody got in on that 5-minute buy? Put in that chat box if you did. On that 670, 670. Did anybody get in at 670? 669?
Missed it.
It had a time difference here. So if you guys got in at 670, you are on some deep, deep profits right now, okay?
Sheesh.
Go ahead and look over here. Look at that, we have the 5-minute buy.
It's gonna hit my mind.
Sheesh!
I already knew
Look
it
at
was
that,
coming.
guys. Wow,
She going crazy today. Okay, you
holy
showed it.
Moses. Type of Hfx in that chat box, guys. If you guys got in and you are in deep profits, the market's gonna shoot up. So let's take advantage. Let's go ahead and take advantage of that buy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Type of Hfx in that chat box. If you are in profits, baby, let's go.
See on that shit, I be on. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all see how the lines crossed again? Then it opened up. It just crossed back. So that's how she knows it's going back. Well, look, they crossed it back again. And I'm in the 15-minute ride. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Can't play that too loud. I gotta be out here in 10 minutes. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go over my notes real quick. My whiteboard notes. All right, right here it says simple scalper equals consolidation. So don't be afraid of consolidation. All right, everybody writing notes. I hope everybody writing notes because note takers are money makers. Period. I don't really make these predictions off of no notes. I actually take notes too. All right, so she doing 10 minutes and 15 minute and 5-minute trades. So remember, don't be afraid of that, those high number trades. Right? You want to analyze on the 15-minute candle when you do that. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what's actually happening behind your screens. Let me know, ladies and
Still in
gentlemen.
profit. Okay, cool.
Let me know
So
what's
she
happening
said,
behind your screen. Price right now is at around the 671 areas. It's waiting for this price to literally reverse on us. You guys, did anybody, how many minutes do you guys have left on this trade?
ain't nobody clear,
This market
Shawty.
just literally reversed on us last minute. Look at that.
Dog. It's gonna go back up though.
It's gonna shoot up.
Look,
It's gonna shoot up, guys.
what's the difference?
So if
You
you
want a
can go ahead
difference
and roll
between
over
like 50,
one
at least a
time,
50% different. I mean, 50
go ahead,
50
guys.
count difference.
Roll over that trade.
When you have
one
AUD
time.
Jpy 26 and 70, it at least be like 50 different before you take that trade. You know what I mean? And that's with the simple scalper.
They both strong
All
right
right.
now. They
So
both strong. Type it 888 in that chat box if you guys got to roll over one time on that trade.
nope, ain't no rollover,
Jpy,
Shawty.
they're both strong. So
We got
you're
faith.
gonna
We in there
see a
15
lot of
minutes.
drops and a lot of upward momentums. So type of 888 in that chat box, guys. This market is definitely gonna come up again.
So it
It's gonna
definitely
come up.
reject off
Price
my
right now
line,
is
like I
exactly
said.
at around the
Should've took that
672
trade.
areas. It's shooting up, guys.
But
My goal life just froze.
I got that.
Type of Hfx in that chat box,
from this
guys. If you are in
green-
profits,
it's
let's go, let's go, let's go.
engulfing
Let me
count
go ahead
down,
and
it's
refresh
engulfing
because
over
we
here.
broke goal life. We broke it.
So I mark
Price
that
right
up.
now is at
on my
around
line
the
right there.
675
It's called an
price.
order block.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Give us
Yeah,
that
big
massive
block.
upward
Put you on
momentum
game.
at around the
It's
690
called an
price.
order block right there.
It's still
See how it
retesting
blocked the
that
order? It blocked this one too.
72 price.
Boom. You ain't getting in the paint, Shawty. Right? So look, you gotta I kind of know I'm
Alright, so we
frame
have
this,
some spike outs.
you know.
We have some
I'm gonna tell
clears.
everybody
I'm
more
telling you,
about
yeah,
this because they don't put
was-
this in the
This
academy,
was
but
one of those trades, guys, because Look what just happened.
Look what just happened. It's an order
AUD,
block, big block in the building.
They're
Yeah,
very
but I
fast
took her
today.
trade.
The momentum
You know,
of
it's all
both
good.
trades are very fast. Look, they gain strength.
It's all the way
One of
down
them
in the Bollinger
didn't
Bands.
lose strength. They both gained the
So I
the
wouldn't be
strength.
surprised if it kept going down because it's already at the top. It's supposed to be over. So
Okay, so let's see what's actually happening here.
it already
So if
right here.
anything,
So
we're gonna get
it
it.
went on right there. Boom.
So,
So we took one L.
did anybody got to roll over this trade? Let me know if you did.
Yes.
Let me know if you did.
Anybody got the rollover?
Type it 888 if you did.
I got spiked. That's crazy.
That
Yeah, it's
job,
crazy.
That's 670 price.
I'm in there 15 minutes though, so I rolled over
Alright, so we
3
got some
times basically.
rollovers. And some of you guys, if you didn't have the rollover option, you definitely, I'm not sure if you lost the
Dang,
trade
I should have took that trade,
or
man.
if you
I should've
buy
put-
one point, you want it. Not sure, but just let me know, put it in that chat box. We have some
I'm
notes, we
recording
have
this
some
too.
broke even.
But
Okay,
look,
we have some lessons.
now
Price right now
y'all,
is
now
around
y'all know when it's
665,
an
5
extreme
points
big
in. For
big
those
candle
who
like
actually
this
rolled over,
next to a green
you
candle,
should be
or
in profits.
if it's the
So the reason
opposite,
why we see
if
this
it's a
drop is
large green
because
candle and it's a red
JPY
candle next to it,
out of nowhere
you want to
just
mark
gained
that
strength.
red candle up,
Okay, out of nowhere.
just like I
So
marked
right
this
now, we
green
just need
candle
some
up,
time for the market to shoot up again.
and expect price
And
to
as you can
touch
see, it's
that
on
and
its way up
reject
right now.
for 2
Okay.
minutes at least.
So we have a lot of students who actually rolled over one time. Okay, we should be able to see this market go up at around the 680 price. But it's fluctuating there, guys. It's fluctuating at around the 670, 664 price. So let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Roll over, rolled, 6 minutes left, okay? What is everybody's price if you're still in it? If you're still in, what is everybody's price? 668. Okay. $670. She's trying to beat it. What a massive drop, guys. Have you guys seen what I'm seeing? On the 15 minutes, this is just literally tanked. Do not roll over that second time. Do not roll over that second time. Do not roll over that second time. So what's happening here in 30 minutes, 1 hour, we still have a blue candle. So it's definitely giving us that drop. It's gonna reverse shooting up. We're definitely gonna take a lesson on that one for sure. Do not roll over that second time, guys. This
Damn.
market, it's literally giving us a massive drop right here.
All right, who all took
on
an L?
JPY.
Put an L in the
My
chat.
purchase strength meter is
You know,
not loading. Not
cause we
sure
can
why.
handle them, you know
Look
what I'm
at that.
saying? That's because we can handle them.
Look
You
how
know why?
JPY just gained strength.
Because I always double up.
AUD just lost it. It might reverse around o'clock, but this is
I
tiny.
always double up.
This is
Y'all
tiny.
know big block double up.
So let's go ahead and take advantage.
Now,
1
if it
minute
keep
sell
dropping,
position.
then it's my fault because
1 minute sell.
I see an order block right here, y'all.
Okay,
I marked up my
620.
order block.
Price 620.
Boop. Right here.
Okay, take some 1 minute sell positions, guys.
It's on the way up. Boom. So you want to take some 1 minute sales?
1 minute sell.
If y'all wanna do that.
620 price. 1 minute sell. If it shoots up, 1 minute sell. RJPY in the same currency. RJPY.
Because somebody type that in the chat for me.
608. 1 minute sell. Take 1 minute sells. 1 minute sell. Click that red button. 1 minute. Fixed time off.
I marked up my order block right there, man. That thing should bounce up.
1 minute sell positions. Let me know who got in. 608 or below. Let me know if you
Ooh,
guys got in.
all the confirmations to go down though.
620, 615s. Let me know who got in, baby. Let me know who got in because you are on some deep profits.
Oh,
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
shit, profits. Y'all took your trade,
I
right?
hope you guys double up because if you guys got to roll over on that second idea and you guys took multiple positions of this 1 minute sell, it's over.
That motherfucker went all the way down.
Sheesh.
Where is it going to? Oh, snap. Y'all see that big green
60
candle?
seconds, baby. In and out with the bag.
Boom, red candle right there.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Dang, look at it. It rejected right off that shit. Ooh. That's why you look for the big
Type
candles,
some
y'all.
big
This is
bubbles
the
in that
learning
chat
lesson.
box.
All
If
right.
you guys took some major sells for 1 minute. Let me see some green bubbles in that chat box. If you guys took some major sells, if you're like, I'm not gonna lose my money, if we caught that second lesson, we're gonna catch this baby back.
Dang.
Because if it reversed on us, then we're gonna have to find another strategy, which is the 60-second money back, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
The 60-second money bag. All right, boom. So
60
when it
seconds.
reverse on you, she said
It was
60-second money
608,
bag. Boom.
620. So if you got in between 620s and 608, if you got in
I
around
better write that down.
617, 616, 6,
Y'all getting all the sauce
10,
right now.
611, you clear some big profits there, guys. Clear some big profits there. So today, I'm definitely 2 and 1. What is everybody's score for today? What is everybody's score? What is everybody's score? My first trade, that's second idea, definitely dusted me.
1-0.
But these ideas right here, these 60-second trades definitely help me out. And this is the point. This is the point, guys. If you have a lesson on that,
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, 5 and 1, still in. For that buy, this market is gonna tank. Okay, definitely. If you're about to play like in 5-10 minutes, this market is tank, literally. All right, AUD Jpy was a little bit crazy.
I'm gonna have to get in on the
Also,
sale with
I wanna
y'all,
go ahead
man.
and apologize.
Y'all took that
Yesterday,
sale?
I played a song. And I was more with the hype, right? Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. I didn't notice certain words that were saying on the lyrics. All right, I did not mean those type of words in my Go Live sessions. So I just want to go ahead and apologize. Sometimes when we are in the middle of the heat, in the middle of big profits, sometimes, we forget, but I just want to go ahead and apologize for those students who did feel some type of way with the wording of the song. It will not happen again. All right, just know that, guys. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful session. Very interesting session today. Like I said, we did took our time. But this time around was not a 15-minute idea waiting for rollovers, none of that, right? But we definitely got on some nice profits there for 60 seconds, baby. So for that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I love y'all all. I hope everyone has a phenomenal rest of your day and weekend. And I'll see you all on Monday at 12 p.m. EST. Let's go. And remember, study. Let's go.
Everybody all right?
Yes, sir. It seemed like it was a great trading session with team, and we all got some nice W's.
Yeah, everybody type y'all percentage in the chat. I see I went back just like 1, 2, 3 days. Boom. You gotta know when to stop trading though, right? Boom. So there you go. Some people will get mad, be like, oh, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna double up again. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. I only do that one time. I learned my lesson. So boom. This is my winning percentage for today. We won 1, lost 2. This one was 3%. This one was like 5%. So never go over 5%. Well, it would be 6% if I doubled up, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So y'all have a good day, man. I'm about to log out, big block on the scene. Lost. Oh, okay. There you go right there. 2 and 3. So on the day, I lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades. I'm 4 and 8 today, right? Four and 8. Ooh, Lord, it hit that order block though. Look at that. I swear I be knowing something. But y'all have a good day, man. Appreciate y'all coming in, you know what I'm saying, showing love. BEG.